This is our mobile app's programming term project, and our app is called ShareBook. ShareBook allows book sharing to be done in a much easier and convenient way, where it allows users to browse through a list of available books, search for a particular book, and even borrow them anytime, anywhere. Users can also opt to lend out their books simply by listing the books on the app. There are two members in this team. The first one is DatT, who is our key developer, designer, research/information specialist, and our GitHub admin. And the second member is YanFayC, which is me, and I am the assistant developer, Scrum Master, tester, and the product owner. So for the user, he or she will be able to browse through the list of books that is listed on the app. As a user, I want to be able to create an account so that I can log into my account. As a user, I want to be able to reset my password so that I can have access to my account in case I forget the password. As a user, I want to log in so that I can lend, borrow a book, and update my personal information. As a user, I want to log out so that I can secure my account. The lender will be someone who will be able to lend out their books. As a lender, I want to list my book so that users can view it and borrow it. As a lender, I want to update my book listing so that I can update the information in regards to the listing. As a lender, I want to delete my book listing so that I can remove the book listing. For the borrower, it is someone who will be able to borrow the books through the app. As a borrower, I want to request an available book listing so that I can borrow it. As a borrower, I want to notify the lender when I have returned the book so that the lender will have their book back. As a borrower, I want to cancel my book request so that I can remove the book listing request.
Hi, this is DatT, and I will be presenting the user story that I will be working on. As a lender, I want to be able to confirm a borrower's request to borrow my book so that the borrower can reserve my book. As a lender, I want to be able to request my book back so that I can get my book back. As a lender, I want to see how long my book has been borrowed so that I can keep track of it. As a lender, I want to see the list of people who have borrowed my book so that I can keep track of it. Borrow. As a borrower, I want to search for a book so that I can narrow down the search for a particular book. And that's it from my user story.